Looking forward to some more big things. What's that?
Big things, what's happening?
I don't, mute.
What is that? No, but I hear a doorbell.
I hear a doorbell.
Is someone coming to visit us? What is that?
I don't know.
Hello? Is there anybody there?
Oh, that.
Who is that? Who is that? Is that Bailie Marie? Hi! Stranger that I've never met before in my life. Take a seat.
What's that? I'm thinking like a dance out.
I've never heard no
It's
music.
a big dancer.
We'll go back,
I think music is always in your head.
Any music. Sorry.
Really said I never heard no music. Okay, so Bailie Marie, welcome.
Hi.
How are you?
Good to be here.
It's good to see you.
Oh my God, I'm nervous.
What have you been doing with yourself, Bailey? I haven't seen you in a while.
Boy, I've been at college
Oi.
in London at Millennium Performing Arts.
Nice.
I've been trying to keep up with the classes. It's been good. We performed at a museum, which was great.
Oh, that was cool. I saw videos of that. Yeah.
So Bailie, you are here to talk to us because you have an intensive starting tomorrow. Tell us a little bit about that. What can persons expect from your intensive?
So me a big dancer. Well, me try. Wait, I try my best.
Hear you, yes?
And I notice everyone in Jamaica always has so much passion when it comes to the arts, but our foundations aren't as strong. So we perform with a lot of soul, but the technique sometimes we're trying our best with what we have. You know what I mean?
I get you, yeah.
So I've gone to England and I've been raised by someone on this table who is my mother. We don't know who. And
We know it's
And I really just want to give back what I've learned in the foundations wise to who I can at a beginner level, because I understand the fear of trying something you may not be good at or you've never tried before, or something that you love but you love observing and you don't quite want to be in it, or you may be really good at it but you want to go back to the foundations and the technique. So I wanted to make something that would be good for everyone and beginner friendly. So I had to come back, ask a few people who I could, and try and do a little intensive for 3 days just to get the foundations of ballet, jazz and modern as well as I can.
All right, excellent. So you say it's 3 days.
Yes.
Tell us the times that these are happening. On which days?
On Wednesday, it is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., so it's a 2-hour thing. Thursday as well. Friday, the time changes a little bit from 12 to 2. So those are the times we're working with. I wanted it to be 2 hours so I would have enough time to get accustomed to who can come and who's coming, see where they are, and best help them to get as far as I can.
Get them in that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you talked, go
What
ahead.
is an intensive?
So an intensive is basically, what is an intensive?
Exactly.
An intensive, basically
good.
what they do is it's ballet classes that normally you would take like once a week, but they stuff as much information and the hard parts, and all the intensives tend to be just dance boot camps, if I'm not gonna lie to you. So it's just really high cardio. A lot of knowledge is thrown your way in a short amount of time to help you progress as quickly as possible.
So you said that it was for beginners. We don't really have a lot of time. Quickly, you say it's for beginners, but can intermediates come as well?
Yes.
And what's the
beginner,
cost?
Intermediate, advanced. It is $4,000 per class. That's $2,000 an hour. And you can get our bundle for the 3 days for 10 grand.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
And how do they get a hold of you?
You get a hold of me at 894-7009.
And your Instagram handle is
Right.
on Phoenix Rays on TV on the screen now. All right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for joining us,
Thanks
Bailie
a lot,
Marie.
Bailie.
Intensive tomorrow.
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have more chats.